Hazrat Abu Moosa states that he heard Hazrat Imam Hassan Basri saying, Imam Hassan bin Ali radiyallahu anhu led large troops like mountains against Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu. So Hazrat Amr bin As said, I see such troops along with him who will not turn back before wiping out their opponents. So Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu said to him, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he was the better of the two. Then Hazrat Amr, if they killed these and these killed them, who would remain to look after their wives and properties? So he sent two Qurayshi men from the tribe of Banu Abd Shams, called Abdul Rahman bin Samura and Abdullah bin Amir bin Qurayz, saying to them, Go to Imam Hassan radiyallahu anhu and persuade him to reconciliation and negotiate with him to make him inclined to it. Both of them went to him, reached there, negotiated with him and appealed for peace. Hazrat Hassan bin Ali radiyallahu anhu said, We are the progeny of Abdul Muttalib. We have got this wealth, whereas this ummah has indulged in self-massacre. The both said, He offers you reconciliation and entreats and wishes nothing but it. He radiyallahu anhu said, Who will be responsible for it? They both said, We will be its responsible. Whenever he asked for responsibility, they both replied, We are its responsible. So he signed a peace treaty with them. Hassan Basri says that he heard Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu saying, I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the pulpit, and Hazrat Hassan bin Ali radiyallahu anhu was beside him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sometimes looked at the people and sometimes at him, and then said, My this son is a chief, and perhaps Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may conciliate two big parties of the Muslims by means of him. Ali bin Abdullah said to me, We have found Hazrat Abu Bakr's hearing from Imam Hassan only through this hadith. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2704.